Ladies, gentlemen, dear Violeta Bulc, dear Robert Staba, as you know, road traffic crashes cause 3,500 deaths every day worldwide and are the leading cause of deaths among young people aged 15 to 29. To stop these tragedies, the United Nations has set in its Sustainable Development Goals to halve the number of road deaths by 2020. A UN Global Trust Fund has also just been created to help governments to act more effectively, particularly those in developing countries. But we also need an ambitious strategy called Vision Zero. Some countries and cities have opened the way for us. Sweden, the Netherlands, New York, and Slovenia today base their road safety policies on this strategy, which states that there should be no fatalities on the roads. It is based on the safe system, an environment where vehicles, roads, rules are designed to avoid crashes and injuries. This means being determined, designing roads that are really safe and not less dangerous, raising awareness of everyone and the concrete objectives to be achieved. Of course, Vision Zero is ambitious, but it is the one we need to advance road safety. In my capacity, as UN Secretary General Special Envoy for Road Safety, developing it throughout the world is a top priority. Congratulations to FEVR, to Violeta Bulc and all those involved today for sharing these ambitions. Thank you for your attention, and I hope I see you soon and we can progress all together. Thank you.